Thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In this video, I will be introducing the 5 classes of animal lesson from the culture and science section. I will be introducing where to buy the picture cards at the end of the lesson video. This video is made for parents that would like to homeschool their children and for those that are new to Montessori. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child classifying the animals into 5 different categories. The instructions for the activity are: remind the child about the difference of vertebrates and invertebrates. Explain to the child that in this lesson they will be learning more about vertebrates and how animals are specifically classified. Show a picture of a fish as the first class of vertebrates. Tell the child that all the animals in this folder are fish. Also explain that the fish live in water and breathe through their gills. Show the child that other examples of fish from the folder, such as they are cold-blooded, which means they do not create heat internally, but keep the same temperature as their surroundings. Have the child work with the remaining things in the folder. Follow the same steps for the remaining classes of animals on a different day. The picture cards can be bought from Etsy on Montessori by Rebecca. I will be attaching the link in the description part. The folder colors are the following: blue for fish, green for amphibians, red for reptiles, purple for birds, and yellow for mammals. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.